bring back Dr. Jekyll. And whatever I do, I will always have a safe, secret place to escape to and hide.
I made you a promise.
Hey, ha!
Come on, get away! Doe's here! Get away!
Pup, run! Come on, this way!
One for all, and all for one!
For Athos! For Porthos! For Aramis!
For me, safe passage to England.
Peter Pan! Come on, lads! Let's get him!
You've heard of Captain Flint, I suppose.
He was the bloodthirstiest buccaneer that ever sailed. I'd hazard that the journal is a list of the ships he sank and the treasure he plundered from them.
Ship after ship, a fortune in gold.
And that
Look, gentlemen, a cross.
treasure?
Captain Flint's treasure.
The body, I think, is broken.
Tuck, bring a mug of ale. Can you talk?
Aye, but you'll not like what I say. The lieutenant has torched Melcaster village.
He's done what?
Arrest whoever's playing that dreadful music.
Rob Roy.
Arrest that outlaw!
My son, you must leave now. The Huron dogs are too many. We cannot win. We will soon be no more. Father, I go to the land of our ancestors. Now you, my son, are the last of the Mohicans.
World's becoming such a small place.
What do you mean, sir? Has it shrunk?
As a matter of fact, it has. It is now possible to travel around the world in only 80 days.
Hey, what Tommy Ross? What silly
It's impossible.
Did you say 80 days, Mr. Fogg?
Yes, I did.
There is a child among us who will save the Indian nation. I know not who. We must stop fighting amongst ourselves and gather our strength as a nation to survive.
Wise Manito tells of one who will save all our peoples. Maybe it is you, Hiawatha.
Destroy the strangers. Destroy them, my noble King Twala. They are wicked and eager for your death. Destroy them now.
Said that I should become king, only if Prince Rudolph should die before me. What do you think that means? I'll tell you all what it means. It means that Prince Rudolph must die.
Ahoy, Captain!
We stand and fight. That's it, lads! Keep it steady! Save your cannonballs! We fight for Mother England!
Sacred Majesty King Louis XIII of France and his newborn son and heir.
God help my kingdom. One son means peace, but two means anarchy.
On guard, evil rogues!
Gods! You are welcome to stay in my humble cave. You are guests of the Cyclops.
Odysseus, what will we do?
Fear not. I have a plan.
To all true English hearts!
At 23 years old, Elvis had already sold more than 18 million records and had had 4 blockbuster hit movies. Then, in March of 1958, to the horror of his fans across the nation, Elvis was drafted. Elvis the King became Elvis the Private. And this is the story.
My dad started training me as soon as I could walk. He trained me while he was alive, and after he passed away, I just kind of kept at it because I didn't really think about it much. You know how you get started at something, you just continue with it. And my dad had a circle of students that were close to him, and so they were friends of our family. My dad left a really wonderful legacy, and I meet people all over the world who really admire him and admire his work, and really have been very positively affected by it, too.